In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to edit a template in PandaDoc, a feature that makes preparing proposals, contracts, or any recurring document fast and effortless. Once you're inside your PandaDoc account, head to the template section. This is your personal library holding every template you've created or have access to. Scroll through your collection until you find the one you want to work on. Then open it up. From here, editing is simple. Click directly on any text block to make changes, whether you're updating terms, revising details, or refining the tone. If you need interactive elements like signature fields, dates, or checkboxes, just drag them in from the right-hand panel and place them exactly where you want. At the top, you'll find the Roles button, which lets you adjust recipients and their permissions, making sure the right people get the right sections to sign or review. On the right panel, you can also access variables, powerful placeholders that automatically fill in client names, dates, or other details throughout the document, keeping it both accurate and personalized. If you want to restructure your template, the page menu on the left allows you to rearrange or duplicate pages, making it easy to add new sections or reorganize content. And the best part, every change you make is saved automatically, so you can edit freely without worrying about losing progress. That's all it takes. With PandaDoc's intuitive editing tools, you can fine-tune any template to perfectly match your workflow, saving time while keeping your documents polished and professional.